Alright guys, so I thought I'd go ahead and let y'all see this here. The hard part, not really, is remembering where you put all your screws and nuts and stuff, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is get the gas tank mounted, and what I use for that is, if I can find it, alright, got that. Okay, that, and this. Okay, now I just need to find the Torx wrench that I was using. Alright guys, that's what I'm using right here. Now, we're going to make sure that the slots match up. Just like that. Now we're going to put this plate, cover this, and it's got a rubber nub there. It fits into this right here, and there we go. Alright, now that's in. I'm going to put that in just like this. Well, we gotta get it lined up first, guys. Which apparently is easier said than done. Now just to go from corner to corner to make sure everything is nice and snug. You ain't got to over tighten it. Oh, I don't have to be crazy tight. Oh Lord, that killed my arthritis. Oh Jesus. Make sure you do get this gasket good and tight, guys. Alright, that's good and tight. Gas tank is back on, okay? So now all we gotta do, guys, is attach, well, mine. So I'm gonna do the fuel line first because it's on the bottom. And then all you have to do, guys, just wiggle that up on there and push it up far enough to where it's not going to come off. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, now alright guys, so the lines are back on and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright guys, as you can see, the main fuel line is in the bottom and the prime line or return lines on top. So now all I have to do is put this back on, guys, and get the air filter back on, get the cover back on, guys, and then maybe put some gas in there and see if this thing will crank up after, gosh, it's been over 20 years probably since this thing has ran. And so, but the main thing of this video, guys, is to show you guys how to pull that line through there. It's not that hard. If I can do it, guys, anybody can do it. And but that was the goal of this video. And so I'm gonna put some fuel in the tank and see if she will prime, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys. So it does prime. You can see here, and you can hear it. Now probably don't. And if you see it here, you can see it go up through there. But anyway, there is fuel being taken into the carburetor. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put the cover back on. And I don't know, see how lucky I get and see if it'll crank. You can see how I should probably take the spark plug out and clean it, but you know what, I'm gonna try it just like that and let's see what happens. It may crank, it may not, but like I said, the demonstration was to show you guys how to change the lines out, and that was it. Alright, so hang tight. Alright guys, I did try to crank it and it's not going to crank. Like I say, this thing's not been cranking over 20 years. I might get back into the carburetor, probably need to clean it up real good and see if it's getting fire. That plug has been in there forever. But anyway guys, the main thing was just show you guys how to thread the gas line and the feed line back through the tank and back into the carburetor. Anyway, hope you guys found this helpful, and don't ever be afraid to try a project. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper than going to a mechanic. I mean, this stuff is easy. And guys, I hope y'all have a great evening. Please like, subscribe, share, it's free. And on top of that, guys, I'm tired, it's hot out here, and you know me, you know what time it is. And what do we say, Dark Horse Nation? Damn, that's good. Alright guys, y'all have a great evening. Be blessed, stay safe, don't work too hard tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys later at some point in time. Y'all have a good evening. Take care.